A very good morning to everyone. So in today's video, we will learn about the fundamentals of addition and subtraction with the help of Vedic sutra that is called as NIKHILAM. So we will start with the addition of some numbers. Let me take first question. For example, if you have to add 4, 5, 3, 8 with 2, 4, 0, 9 and let's say 6, 0, 8, 7. Let me take one more. For say 5, 9, 6, 6. Let's say I have to add these four numbers. So the procedure is the same that you have done as your curriculum. So what will you do? You do something like this: 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. And then you add this 17 to this 7. That will give you 24. And then 24 plus 6 will give you 30. Now you write those 30, something like this. This is the 30. You know that you have to keep 0 and 3 will be the carryover. So if something is carryover, you write that number in a smaller manner. After this, you will go to the next digit, that is 3. So you have to do what? 3 and 0, that is 3. Then 3 and 8, that is 11. 11 and 6, that is 17. Now this 17 and this 3 that we have to use. 17 and 3 will make it 30. 17 and 3 will make it 20. So how do you write 20? 0 and 2. Then the next 5 and 4, 9. 9 and 0, 9. And then 9 and 9, 18. 18 and 2. Getting this? 18 and this 2 will make it 20 again. So 20. So there it is, 20. And then the last column, 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 6, 12. 12 and 5, 17. And then 17 and this 2 will make it 19. So our answer is 19,000. Okay, it is the same process that you have been doing in your school and colleges. Nothing changes here, just a small changes that you do not write the carryover on the top. You just write that carryover with the number itself at the bottom. In this way, you save some time. And this is just addition principle, not so much to share the Vedic fundamentals in addition. Let's move on to subtraction part. That is a very important. Subtraction with the help of Vedic fundamentals, NIKHILAM. So let's do the subtraction thing. Before subtraction, I like to introduce a new way, a new thing in front of you. So let me say we are going to do this subtraction thing now. Let me take some examples first. For example, if you have a number 19. 19 is what? 19 is 20 minus 1. So just focus that you will write this 20 minus 1, something like this, 2, 1, and then bar. What is it? It is 2, 1, and bar over it. The bar is only over 1. This bar is what? This bar is telling you that 1 is a negative number. This bar is telling you that 1 is a negative number, means minus 1. Second example, let's say you have 36. 36 is what? 40 minus 4. You have to write every number in such a format that it is pronounced as a way of subtraction. That you have to write 36 in the format where you are writing a negative number. So you are writing a negative number, that is 4 in this statement. So 40 minus 4, you will say that it is 4 and 4 bar over this 4. And this bar is telling you that our 4 is negative. Third example. Let's say 243. It is what? You will say that it is 250 minus 7, right? Are you getting this? You have to write everything in terms of a negative number. Now, what is the negative number here? The negative number is minus 7. So you will write this thing in terms of a bar, like in this manner, that it is 2, 5, and then 7, and bar over 7. Getting this? So you just observe how the things are going on. You'll get an idea. Let's say you have 1056. It is what? It is 1060 minus 4. Right? So how do you write this thing? You just write 106 and then 4 and then bar over it. Okay. If you have some curiosity, I will show you different manners too for the same questions that we have just done. For example, if you want to write for 243, like you can say that 243 is what? 243 is something like we have written 240 minus 250 minus 7 we have written. Isn't it 260 minus 17? Okay. We'll let you know this thing after some time because for now it will be tough for you. This is a beginner level. Let me take you some further examples of cross questioning. For example, if you have something 5, 6 bar. So how do you say that this is what is this number? What is the original number that you will make? So you will say that it is 50. And because the bar is only over 6, so you will say that this is minus 6. So it means it is 44. Getting this? Just we have done the reverse manner. Your 36 is what? 4 bar. So your 4 bar will be what? 36. In the same way, in the same manner, we have done 5, 6 bar. For example, if you have 293 bar, what is it? 290 minus 3. that is 287. These are very important fundamentals. After some level, you will understand the basic application of these things that we are doing right now. Let me show you some further conversions of a bar. Okay, try to do this one. 202537 bar. So pause the video, try to do this thing and cross check by my answer. So this is what it is, 25. See, if you are getting confused, what do you remember? The technique is the bar is only over one digit. This bar is only over one digit. So place 10 instead of the digit. This bar is only over one digit. So place the 0 instead of this digit. And then subtract. What do you have to subtract? You have to subtract the same thing. Means you have to subtract 7. That's it. So it will be 2523. For example, if you have something 4, 5, 6, and the bar is over these two numbers, 5 and 6. The process is same. Now, because the bar is over two digits, the bar is over two digits, this and this. So what will you do here? That it is, you have to place two zeros because the bar is placed over two digits. And then you subtract what? You have to subtract the same digits over which bar is placed. So you have to subtract 56 from it. And that will give us 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 5, 4. And this is 3, 344. Getting this? So it doesn't matter how many, where is the bar, or how do we do for if there are two bars or one bar. The process is same. Let me take one more. If you have, say, 20937 and the bar is over these three. So try to do this one. How many digits are there on which the bar is placed? So you will say that there are 3 digits, these 3. So because there are 3 digits, you will write the 20 as it is because there is no bar over it. And then you will write how many zeros? 3 zeros because of these 3 digits. And then you subtract how much? You subtract the same number over which bar is placed. So you subtract 937 from it. And that will give you 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 9, 0, and then 90. 19063. So your 19063 can be said something like that. Let me ask you a cross questioning. If I have given you 19063, can I say that it is 19070 minus 7? Isn't it? It is the same thing. So means I can rewrite my question like this too. So there are many ways to write a single number. Either you can write in a single bar or a double bar or a triple bar, whatever is convenient for you. So these are just some fundamentals of introduction to bar. And this bar is telling you about the significance of a negative number. That whenever there is a bar, it means that part is a negative thing. Focus, whenever there is a bar, it means there is a negative thing. And as you have seen, whenever there is a bar, there is a negative number. Whenever there is a bar, there is a negative number. So this is the introduction to the bar. We'll use this bar as a calculation, and we'll do the calculation in a very much faster manner. We can multiply, we can add, subtract, everything can be done with the help of bar. Okay, so that's it for today's. Try to do some questions. Let me give you some question as a homework. Homework number, question number 1. For say you have to write 29, 28. What is it in the bar format? Second question, 57. What is it in the bar format? 654 in the bar format. 259 bar in the simple as a simple number. 10805. Bar is over 0 and 5. Okay, bar is over 0 and 5. And then last, 193. So these are 6 questions. Try to do them and give your answers in the comment box. I'll cross check your answers. Okay, bye-bye. We'll see you in the next video.